how to show PowerPoints or Google Slides in class using the control panel here on the desk for the instructor. So I have a PowerPoint running right now, and as you can see, it's also showing on the screen for my students. And the reason is because I turned the projector on at the beginning of class, and I do not have the AV mute on. I'm going to put the AV mute on, and it's blinking, showing that it's on. And on the screen, students can't see anything. And that allows me to set up my computer the way I want to do it, to only show them what I want to show them eventually when it's set up. So on this PowerPoint, I want to show the instructor notes to me and the slides to the students. To do that, I have to go into an extended mode on projector. So to go to projector, hold down Window and P for projector. And you'll see that right now, the little blue lines say it's on duplicate, which is the default. And I want it to be on extend. Now, when I present, and I could either present by going to slideshow from the beginning, or hit this little slideshow button down here, or a faster way is a keyboard shortcut, F5. And on my screen, I see what the current slide is, what the next slide will be, and the instructor notes for the current slide. What the students see when I release the AV mute is just the slide. Then, when I'm ready, I can go to the next slide, either by clicking, or I like to use arrow keys. That's my next slide. And if I have animations, I can see in the next animation that point 1 is going to come next. So when I hit that, point 1, and then students see that on the screen. Now, when I'm done, I'm just going to hide from the students. I'm going to turn on AV mute again. And I'm going to escape when I'm done that presentation. Now I want to show you the same thing on Google Slides. This is actually the same presentation, but in Google Slide format. And don't just hit the regular slideshow. Click the down arrow and choose Presenter View. That's opening up both the slides and the instructor notes. By the way, there's a bug. It says that my next one is it's a picture of the wrong slide. If I go next, it'll actually correct it. And then if I go previous, now it's working properly. Now, if I release the AV mute, you'll notice that the slide is blank. Unlike PowerPoint, Google doesn't have the ability to automatically take advantage of extend. I need to do it. And so I need to drag the slide to the right onto the screen. I'm just going to maximize it. And then if I wanted to take the full screen and not show the URL thing at the top, I need to hit a shortcut key, which is F11. And you'll see that that is now showing full screen. Now, on my screen, I see the instructor notes. I see the current slide I'm on and the next slide. I'm going to click on the next slide, and I'm going to click on next, which is the point 1, and next to be point 2, and students will see that. When I'm done, just escaping what it will do if I escape, if you look in the screen, it will put that screen back into the edit mode. I could slide it back onto my screen. Then I can hit AV mute. And then now I'm going to restore the projector back to the default. I'm going to hold down Window and then P, and I'm going to click on duplicate, which is the default. When I'm done the class, I could turn the projector off and AV off.